Hey, what's up? Welcome back. This is Tech Brothers. Today we have camera test of Huawei Nova 2i. We already made unboxing and performance test of this phone. You can find these videos by the links in description. Huawei Nova 2i comes with 4 cameras, dual front and dual back. What about image and video quality? Let's check it out. I will leave the link to download original photos and videos in description. As I already said, Huawei Nova 2i comes with 4 cameras in total. There is 16 megapixel main sensor and 2 megapixel secondary sensor on the back. The front camera has 13 megapixel main sensor and the same 2 megapixel secondary sensor. The additional sensors on the back and front are used for bokeh effect. It is important to note about flashlight on the front. It allows to make high-quality selfies in low-light conditions. The camera can capture images in a RAW format, but you need to choose Pro mode. Some words about camera app. Earlier, I published an unboxing video of Huawei Nova 2i with EMUI 5.1, but later I received update to Android 8.0 with EMUI 8.0 user interface. It has completely new interface, settings and apps. However, in this video we are interested in camera app. Here you can find many useful functions. The main screen has a big shutter button, video recording button and gallery icon. Swipe to the left opens camera settings such as photo video resolution, watermark, RAW format and others. Swipe to the right from the main screen opens shooting modes. There is photo, video, pro, panorama, HDR, night shoot, time-lapse, slow motion and even AR mode. The last mode allows to change background, add people to your shot, etc. The camera app on Huawei phones is very advanced and useful. If you like different settings and modes, then this is the best option for you. Now let's look at real sample photos. If we talk about image quality, I cannot say it is perfect, but very good for mid-range phone. To be honest, I don't really notice a big difference between cameras on Huawei Nova 2i, Huawei P10 or Honor 9. The quality in good lighting conditions are the same. The photos are clear, the focus is accurate and fast, and white balance is good. The secondary sensor allows to make portrait photos with blur background, and it really works, unlike many budget Chinese phones. The result is pretty good, but not as good as on the flagship phones. The Huawei company promoted Nova 2i as a selfie phone because the front camera also has portrait mode, beauty mode, and even flashlight. When it comes to low-light shots, the quality drops. The images become noisy. From other side, you can take really good photos at night, especially if you choose night mode and make some settings. Also, we recorded some videos for you in different light conditions. There is no 4K resolution. Huawei Nova 2i has only 1080p at 30 fps. Also, there is slow motion 480p and time-lapse. The video has good quality, high detailed and bright. The main problem is the lack of stabilization. If you shoot video while walking, it will jump. It is better to stop and shoot the video or buy additional stabilizer. Huawei Nova 2i was released about 8 months ago. I think it was one of the best camera phones on the market. However, in 2018 it doesn't look so impressive. Of course, it takes good images, but you can find something better for $300, for example, Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 or Redmi 6X. They are cheaper and have better cameras. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find link to original photos and videos. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.